In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing app which is a great alternative of ChatGPT called ChatArt, which is available for iPhone as well as for Android users. And I will also show you how you can earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month leveraging only one app. And I bet on it that if you watch this video till the end, you will get to know about your past, present, and future with the help of AI, which is most realistic and authentic. So it should be a rocking journey. So make sure you stick to me till the end. And for now, let's straight dig into my mobile screen. Step 1. Go to the description below and check the link for iPhone as well as for Android and install the app. Go to open, agree, and continue for 2 times. Now we are in ChatArt app. This is the dashboard. Now let's see what all we can do. We can ask any science related question to ChatArt. So let's begin with one science question. How old is our universe? And there we go. Once you get the reply, go to bottom right hand side 3 buttons and press the star to get it saved inside your favorite folder. You can copy it. You can also listen to the audio, or else you can also share in different platforms right from this app. Let us solve one mathematical problem from here. So I'll give my problem right here in the type section and press the sky blue button, send message option. And in a blink, you will get your problem solved. And not only that, it will give you the analytic of by which process it has solved the problem. Now let's go to creation option. Here we have 4 segments: life, media planning, study and work, and entertainment. Let us dig into one by one. First is life. In life you have chat script, Instagram. Now let us go to create one chat script. So put your required command within 200 words here and go to submit. And on a click, you will get different type of a different style or mood of options. Now let us move forward to the next segment. Let us write an Instagram copy for one of my posts asking about what will be the changes in the global work culture due to the advancement of AI. And then click submit on a blink. So this is how you can create an Instagram copy as well. Likewise, you can create any article or poem or even novel. Let us see the next tool. Let us write an email reply. I want my boss to accept my resignation. I'll have to select my job. I am a designer and submit. Here you get 500 word limit. So on a click, you will get a complete email reply written in the most professional way. Moving forward, I'm going to show you how you can easily earn $5,000 to $10,000 by this app. Let us type an OKR. So I have given my goal is to earn 5 lakh per month in INR. So it will give me a clear milestone, step-by-step milestone, how I can generate 5 lakhs INR per month. Once I submit, on a click, I have got this amazing answer. You can write any goal and test it for your own. As I have already told you that what all tasks you can accomplish by this one simple app just by a click, then let us see what are the earning potential. Well, if you can write a novel or a small fairy tale book for children, a mere novelist can earn somewhere around $15,000 to $1,27,000 per year. I have already shown you can create amazing marketing copy, Instagram copy, and lot more with the help of ChatArt app. So let us see how much one freelance copywriter makes at this moment. This says in 2020, $62,000 or maybe more was the approximate income. There are different websites like Freelancers, Upgrade. So you can go to these websites where you get freelancing job, and these are very secured websites, so you can go and create your account there and you can earn hefty as a copywriter, where you just need to have this app with you and you can create your own gigs. Let us see how much you might need to invest to get this app. Go to top left hand side My Plan section and see just by spending $30 per year, you can earn somewhat around $50,000 to $1 lakh every single year. If I check in INR, this is only 2,900 rupees per year. Well, guys, we all see dreams to and fro, aren't we? But have you ever discussed your dream with anybody? Or have you expected that someone else will tell you what does your last night's dream mean? And how your future is emerged into that dream? Well, now you don't have to seek help from any other person. Here in the entertainment section, you have 4 interesting parts. One is Dream Analyzer. This Dream Analyzer analyzes your dream if you tell them what have you seen or how much you can remember about your dream. And this will clearly give you an answer that what does your dream mean. You can also create your child's name. For new moms and dads, you don't have to seek help from anybody else. You can also get your horoscope done by just sharing your sunshine, and you can even specify the date for which you want your horoscope or your analysis. Now we are moving forward to see the last feature is how to translate sentences into different other languages, which are provided here in the drop box. So guys, do not wait any further. Right now, go to the description box and download, install this app. If you're a new visitor to my channel, please do click the subscription button below. Today this much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.